Hello guys, today I will show you how to use DramaBox for free to watch your favorite series and movies without spending a dime. Let's jump right in. So the first step to do this is simply opening a mobile phone, navigating to Play Store and searching for DramaBox. Now choose DramaBox and install the DramaBox application. So after installing the application, open the DramaBox application and it will load up with this interface. Now, after launching the application, you can navigate the content library. You can browse categories because DramaBox offers a wide range of categories including dramas, movies and TV shows. You can use the search bar to find specific titles or explore trending content. Choose that content and that will instantly play up. That episode you can choose by choosing the episode and choosing another one. You can also use filters like genre, language or popularity to quickly discover what you would like to watch. You can also navigate to sections like popular, new, original, romance, comeback, heroine, fantasy and more. Now, you can watch content for free just by clicking on any of the content. For example, I'm going to choose this one. You can pause this, choose episodes and choose any kind of episode that you want. So simply tap on any tile to see details like plot summary, episode list and release date. So most tiles are free to stream, but you may encounter ads. These ads support the platform, so let them play. Choose your desired video quality for the best experience based on your internet speed. So in order to watch any of the content for free, you'll have to just choose it and you'll be able to watch it. But if there will be any ad, just let that ad play because that ad is exactly the reason why you're able to play that for free. Now some DramaBox versions offer the ability to download episodes or movies for offline viewing. Check for download button on the content page to do this. Also, if DramaBox isn't accessible in your region, a VPN can help bypass restrictions. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your favorite dramas and series on DramaBox for free. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and share your favorite DramaBox titles in the comments below. Happy watching!